You know, if my dad saw me sitting on my butt, you know what he'd say? He'd say, go up and get that done. But I'm just taking a minute. All right. But, you know, if your dad was here, he'd tell you to get up off your butt and get over there and get that done. I don't know what time it is, but it looks like we're losing daylight and we got to get her done. So you need to get a move on. Yeah, it'd be nice if you could come over there and help me out a little bit. So let's get rolling. All right, well, come on, let's go. All right, I'm with you. Okay, I got this far. It ain't gonna take too much, I guess. I got like 14 of these things up. One side fell down and I had to push it back up and tie it off so it didn't. I was out here talking with Tammy. I said, I really don't think she knows what she's asking for. I told her, you know, all this is going to be gone. These little palm trees and all that, it's going to be history. They're going to be rubbing on that. They're going to eat that down. I said, the only thing that's going to be left in there is maybe that palm tree. And then they probably going to, you know, wear that out before I can get them out of here. She said she thinks they're only going to be in here a couple of weeks. I think it's going to be a little bit longer, you know. And then I got to worry about being able to move this. She said, I'm not going to be able to do this. She said, we can't move this. And I said, well, yeah, we can. We just got to unscrew them one pallet at a time and move it. And so anyway, I'm going to go ahead and, you know, start setting up. And I got 2 more wall sections to build. Really need to get these corners up. Start moving some of these pallets around there. You know, it's, yeah, they're nice pallets. They really are. And I usually, whenever I've got to have, you know, something built that requires a wall or something, I don't have a, you know, and I don't have a way to do it. I usually just pallets, you know, with like our pallet shower. You know that as soon as you get this together, they ain't gonna send them pigs over here, don't you? Yeah. And just as soon as you do put pigs in here, and the little babies, it's gonna take them a while to do the kind of work Tammy wants them to do, but you know, I guess that's just the way it's gonna be, right? You know, the thing of it is, we had a discussion about that earlier, and basically, I told her exactly that, but oh yeah, she threw a fit. Okay, honey, what you think? I mean, do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. It looks good, but
Good.
I don't think it's gonna hold a pig.
It may not hold a pig.
I don't think it's gonna hold 3 pigs. I mean, first couple of days or so, I think it's gonna be okay. But anyway, I still got to get the gate secured and get it hung. But for the most part, I got it all screwed together.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's a pallet. Well,
no, it is really sturdy.
I will,
But
wherever I might need support, I'll
we'll
do
figure it out
something.
as we go.
I just don't know. I got to wiggle the walls or whatever, but yeah.
Just figure it out as we go. That's what we always do.
Yep. One day at a time.